Happy Singles Day, 11th of November, 11/11. And this is how the weather is in Stockholm in November. Very depressing. And I am resuming my beach adventures. I was away for a few days and I have no idea how cold it is in the water, but in the air I can tell you already it is 6 degrees Celsius only. However, it is not blowing any wind and it's quite cozy. So I hope this will be a good episode for everyone that missed my beach adventures. So we are still going strong. Last year, 2024, I ended up my Sweden beach adventures on 1st of December. So let's see if this winter is going to be milder or colder than the previous one. And today is my beach day number 151 in Sweden only this year. Quite depressing weather, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm in Fagersjö. This is Fagersjö Brygga, located 3 kilometers away from my home. Very nice walk, and the lake Magelungen is super still. It's not moving at all, and it's not the cleanest one because of that. So yeah, Kris is back with the beach adventures, and I'm not gonna promise that I'm gonna do now every day because of the weather. If it's going to be raining, I'm gonna be staying home the next few days, and it's gonna be even colder this weekend. But if it is sunny, why not? So depressing weather, but as Tommy Cash in Eurovision said, no stresso, no stresso, don't need to be depresso. We're gonna cherish or actually cure the depression with a dip in the lake. Now I have no idea how cold it will be, but we're gonna see in a bit. I'm just gonna, I need to actually attach a better oh, this one is actually floating now. So I'm now measuring the water in the lake while I'm showing you a bit of the lake, and the water feels quite cold, I'm not gonna lie. So I have no idea how it will turn out, but it's definitely below 10 degrees in the water. And we can see on the other side Fagersjö, which is a nature reserve. And yeah, so let's see what we have. We have 8 degrees Celsius. That is quite warm actually, so I thought that it's going to be colder than that, but yeah, I'm gonna just wiggle around the water so it refreshes a bit, because usually when there are waves it is cleaner than that. But it will be a quick dip, as yeah, I will not be swimming longer than that. So Kris is back, and beach adventures with Kris are continuing. Currently it is 14:48, and the sunset now in Sweden yesterday was at 3:33 p.m. and the day is getting shorter and shorter, and it will get a lot shorter until the 20th of December. So one more month, actually 40 days. But then probably when December comes, we're gonna have also snow, so it's gonna be nice as well. Okay, we are then ready to go in for a quick dip in Fagersjö. We are ready, for sure, I am. So we say ready, set, and go. And yes, I have a new haircut, as you can see. I have also done a PRP treatment for the hair, which is basically taking blood from the arm, filtrating it, and then putting it in the scalp, which is a lot less painful than a transplant. So that is a wrap from Fagersjö. It's time now for me to enjoy a bit in the water. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!